Want to cook smarter, not harder? These 7 hacks will save you time, cut your meal prep stress, and supercharge your carnivore diet with flavors you didn't know were possible, all while keeping your budget intact. Trust me, you've never seen kitchen tips like these. Ready to unlock the secrets that could change the way you cook forever? Imagine walking into your kitchen on a busy Tuesday evening, tired from work, and still needing to whip up a protein-packed meal. Here's a hack that feels like magic. Pre-season your meat in bulk. All you need is salt, garlic powder, and black pepper, kitchen staples that pack a punch. Spend 10 minutes seasoning chicken breasts, ground beef, or pork chops, then store them in Ziploc bags or vacuum-sealed containers. Now, whenever you're in a pinch, you can grab a prepped bag and hit the skillet or grill, saving time and stress. This hack isn't just about convenience, it's a flavor-boosting game-changer. Picture this. You're meal prepping on Sunday, rubbing spices into a large batch of meat while listening to your favorite podcast. By the time Wednesday rolls around, that seasoned beef you grilled tastes even better, thanks to the extra time the flavors had to develop. Want a twist? Try paprika for a smoky kick, or rosemary for a Mediterranean touch. Once you start, you'll wonder why you ever cooked meat straight out of the package. If you're not already using an air fryer, you're seriously missing out on a time-saving powerhouse. This gadget isn't just trendy, it's a meal prep hero, especially for the carnivore diet. From crispy pork belly to golden brown chicken wings, the air fryer delivers perfectly cooked protein-packed meals with minimal effort. The secret? Hot air circulation that mimics deep frying without the extra oil. Need an easy recipe? Toss some seasoned drumsticks into the basket, set it for 20 minutes, and let it do its magic while you prep your sides, or just relax. For those chasing flavor without the mess, the air fryer is a revelation. Preheat it for even crispier results. Yes, that little step makes a big difference. And don't stop at chicken. Try steak bites, lamb chops, or even burger patties. Cleanup is a breeze since most baskets are non-stick. If you're tight on time and craving something juicy and delicious, the air fryer transforms your kitchen game. Why spend extra on fancy cooking fats when you can make your own? Rendering tallow is a budget-friendly way to create a high-quality fat perfect for frying, roasting, or sautéing. Grab those beef fat trimmings that often come free from your butcher, toss them into a pot, and let them simmer on low heat for a few hours. Strain the liquid, store it in a jar, and voila! You've got a protein-packed, flavor-boosting ingredient for your carnivore meals. Plus, it's shelf-stable, so it's a lifesaver when meal prep calls. Rendered tallow isn't just cost-effective, it's incredibly versatile. Imagine frying eggs in a dollop of rich golden fat, or roasting a juicy ribeye with a crispy sear. It's like upgrading your kitchen without spending a dime. The best part? You control the quality. No additives, just pure, time-saving goodness. If you've been searching for cooking hacks that stretch your budget and elevate your meals, this is it. Hungry for more? Sink your teeth into the carnivore life. Subscribe to Meet Me Here for all the juicy insights. Freezer burn is the ultimate enemy of flavor, but a vacuum sealer is your secret weapon to combat it. This nifty device locks out air, keeping your meat fresher for longer while preserving that rich, protein-packed goodness essential for the carnivore diet. Whether you're storing steaks, ground beef, or even pre-seasoned chicken, sealing your cuts in vacuum bags is a game changer. Lay them flat in the freezer to save space and keep your meal prep organized. Investing $30 to $80 in a basic vacuum sealer pays off with every juicy bite you savor weeks later. Think about how much easier your kitchen routine becomes when your meat is prepped and perfectly stored. Need an example? Picture yourself on a busy weekday, pulling out a perfectly preserved bag of ribeye that looks like it was packed yesterday. All you do is defrost, cook, and enjoy a flavor-packed dinner without any stress. Cooking meat can feel like a guessing game, but a meat thermometer takes the mystery out of the equation. Whether you're grilling a steak or roasting a chicken, this tool ensures your protein-packed meals hit the perfect temperature every time. No more overcooked pork chops or underdone chicken breasts, just juicy, flavorful perfection. For example, aim for 135 degrees Fahrenheit for a medium rare steak or 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safely cooked poultry. It's a small investment for consistently mouth-watering results. Using a thermometer isn't just about avoiding mistakes, it's about mastering your craft in the kitchen. Imagine pulling a gorgeous roast from the oven, confident it's cooked to tender, time-saving perfection. And if you're meal prepping, it's invaluable for batch cooking meat to store and reheat later. A few seconds of checking the temp can save an entire meal. Who says cooking has to come with a pile of dishes? One-pan cooking is the ultimate time-saving hack, perfect for whipping up protein-packed meals with minimal mess. Picture this. You sear a juicy steak in your skillet, then crack a couple of eggs right alongside it. The flavors mingle beautifully, and when you're done, you've only got one pan to clean. Whether it's a sheet pan for roasting or a cast iron skillet for stovetop magic, this method simplifies meal prep without sacrificing flavor. Think about how much easier your week becomes when you can cook everything in one go. For instance, toss chicken thighs, bacon-wrapped asparagus, if you're in a rare flex mood, and a handful of seasoning onto a baking sheet. Then let the oven do the work. Cleanup takes seconds, leaving you more time to enjoy your meal. Patience is the unsung hero of great cooking, and resting your meat is proof of that. After cooking, resist the urge to dive right in. Let your steak, chicken, or pork rest for 5–10 minutes under a loose foil tent. This simple step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, giving you a tender, flavor-boosting bite every time. Think of it as the culinary equivalent of letting your coffee cool just enough to savor its taste without burning your tongue. The payoff? Juicier, more satisfying meals that feel like a reward for your effort. Resting meat isn't just a fancy chef trick, it's a game changer for anyone who loves easy recipes with maximum flavor. Imagine cutting into a perfectly rested ribeye and seeing all those savory juices locked in, not running all over your plate. It's the kind of detail that takes your carnivore diet to the next level, turning everyday cooking into a time-saving art. Now that you've mastered these hacks, there's one more thing to explore: how to bring all these tricks together seamlessly. But that's a story for another time. Are you ready to transform your kitchen routine? These hacks are your ultimate shortcut to saving time, enhancing flavor, and making every carnivore meal a breeze. But now it's your turn. What's your go-to cooking hack? Drop it in the comments and share your wisdom with the community. Let's keep the ideas flowing. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more tips that'll make your carnivore journey easier and more delicious. Let's build something amazing together.